Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download any app in Amazon Fire TV Stick. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to download apps on Amazon Fire TV Stick, what you need to do is just simply download from the Amazon App Store, go to the home screen, then select Find and then select Search. Then type the app name and choose the app and then click on download or get, and once downloaded, simply open the app from your apps and channels, and this is the safest and easiest way, and auto updates are included. Next method that you can use is download apps not in App Store for site.apk. Use these only for legal apps that are listed. The first step is to enable unknown apps. To do it, simply head over to the settings from your Fire TV home screen, then select My Fire TV. Then once you're inside your My Fire TV, choose the developer options and then simply turn on install unknown apps on, and then the next step is to install downloader app. Simply head over to the App Store, then search downloader. Then once you find it, install and open it and allow permissions. The next step is to download and install the app. In the downloader, open it and then enter a trusted APK website URL right here. Then select Go and select the app, then select Install. Then once done, simply choose on Done and delete APK file, which is optional, and the app will appear in your apps and channels. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.